Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from 𝗟𝗘𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Does this look familiar? Alright, where did I put that charger? Ah, that pocket. Did I bring my headphones? Oh, here they are. Packing cables, chargers, and electronics can feel like a technological mess. They're either scattered everywhere throughout your bag, making things difficult to find, or they are all pooled together in the same spot, creating a tangled mess of cables and cords. It is so frustrating. And traveling with electronics shouldn't be like that. You should be able to access and store them easily, free from the tangled mess. So this is today's tip. Use a travel tech organizer. Known by a few other names, such as a cable organizer, an electronics bag, or a tech kit, it turns your collection of cables, chargers, and cords into an organized system, giving everything a designated home, instead of just throwing it all into a catch-all pocket. This keeps things separated and ready to use when you need them, saving you time from untangling the tech mess every time you go to charge something. It's a lifesaver. And it's also great because it allows you to see everything at once. So it is easy to find those cables, headphones, or chargers. And if you want to know specifically where are the best places to buy one of these things, see the links in the description of this video where I have my favorites. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday that'll help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi. Happy trails.